Yo, this is your boy Jamar. I'm making a video about the Richmond School District. There's a lot of, I feel like there's a lot of racism there. I don't know if anybody else that goes to that school feels like that. That's black, but I do. So here I go. I was gonna rap and I will rap on the video, but for this one, I'm just gonna kind of crack some funny jokes about the school. First of all, Mr. Swanson is fucking so short. Like, seriously, my mom's getting short. This motherfucker's getting about her height. My mom's about like 5 foot something. What the fuck? He's short as fuck. That is fucking creepy. Second of all, Mr. Wissing is a big, tall guy that's real fat and kind of smiley all the time. You don't want a guy like Mr. Wissing hovering around you like, hey, what you doing today in class? You want some chicken? Or how's your day going? Hey, you know? I swear to God, he looks just like Mr. freaking Moberg. If any of y'all go to Richmond schools, Mr. Moberg was the teacher that like hovered around kids, and he actually lost his job because he was freaking hovering around kids and like touching kids in very inappropriate ways. And I feel like Mr. Wissing would be the same as he'd be another Mr. Moberg, only thing like a principal position. He just comes in a classroom. If you're sitting there, oh man, I hate this class. So here comes Mr. Wissing's big ass. What you doing for work today? What you learning for work today? Like, what the fuck, nigga? You trying to get hit, nigga? You trying to get hit, nigga? Think I'm gonna hit this nigga, man? No, but seriously, don't hit the teacher, though, because that should get you in so much trouble. But here, okay, here's Swanson's point. You sit in the class, fucking falling asleep in class, just, you falling asleep in class. Next thing you know, here comes Swanson's small ass, and then he's so small that if you a guy that's like 6'5", or maybe 6 foot exactly, and Mr. Swanson small ass comes behind you and is just, hey, what you doing in class today? What you learn in class? Just, nigga, what the? You small as fuck? Get out of here, midget, nigga. But I swear, that's what I want to say sometimes. The teachers there in the Richmond school are good. The kids there are nice. I just think sometimes we got a bunch of racist ass hillbillies and Hickson. Shit, and I hate them kind of people, but you know what I'm talking about. That's racism. Anyway, some of the girls there, girls, you talk so much shit. I'm telling you, New Richmond schools, any school for the matter, most of the drama is all about girls. Like, seriously, y'all just drama queens. Every fucking woman or girl that was ever made on earth, in my version, I think are just fucking drama queens. Especially when you get married. Don't let alone don't get married to a girl. Because if you get married to her, then you really got drama. Every day in your house, only thing the drama ain't with another chick, which it will be eventually. Most of the time, it's gonna be against you. Like, what the fuck? Like, seriously, the drama is gonna be on you. It's gonna be like a fucking giant boulder just boom hit you in the face. Like, what the fuck? This bitch is full of drama. I need to get rid of this bitch. I swear that's what niggas be thinking. Y'all be thinking that shit like, nigga, I'm getting rid of this bitch. This bitch tripping. But, but okay, so here's some funny shit, because I wanna entertain y'all. I am Jamar. I'm a comedy guy. I'm trying to be comedy. I've been trying to do comedy ever since I was 6. So if you like my video here, comments, concerns, please let me know that you like it, because if you like it, I will definitely be looking to make more funny videos and just crack some jokes on stupid shit. So in this video, leave a comment. Your comments should be stuff like my main thing on this video is leave comments about what you want me to joke about. If you like this video and you want me to make more, which I'm going to make more anyway, leave comments about certain things that's happening in your life, or just anything in general. It can be the stupidest thing. Leave me a comment about a person that you want me to crack jokes on, an animal, whatever you want me to crack jokes on. And if I don't know the person, or if I don't know an animal or whatever that you leave me a comment on, I'll look it up on the internet, look it up in some books, and find out what it's about, and I'll crack some jokes on it for you. Comments, concerns, leave them. Peace out. Your boy Jay to the fucking dog.